If you don't like math and if you are getting confused with fraction number, rational number and whole numbers, you are at the right place. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Shilpa Joshi and today we will learn in detail about rational numbers. In this video, we will learn how to arrange rational numbers on number line, then how to compare rational numbers, then how to arrange rational numbers in ascending order, then descending order, and at last I will take an example from Math Olympiad exams and mental math. If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon for the notification. Let's get started. Let's start with our first question. Represent rational numbers on the number line. See, this is a rational number minus 3 upon 4 and I have to represent it on a number line. Every number line has 0 in the middle and on the right hand side there are all the positive numbers and on left hand side there are all negative numbers. But what about this minus 3 upon 4? This minus 3 upon 4 definitely will lie on the left hand side, but it is less than minus 1. Why it is less than minus 1? I can explain you. First we will find out what is the denominator. Denominator is 4. It shows that this minus 1 is divided into 4 equal parts. This is first, second, third and fourth part is minus 1 itself. So first part will be minus 1 upon 4, second part minus 2 upon 4 and the third part which we have to represent is minus 3 upon 4. And the last part we can say minus 4 upon 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4 and answer is minus 1. So in this way we can say that minus 3 upon 4 lies between minus 2 upon 4 and minus 4 upon 4. In our second example, minus 12 upon 7 has to be represented on a number line. But you can observe that 12 upon 7 is an improper rational number. So first I will convert it into mixed number. I will divide 12 by 7 and then I will get 1 is to 5 upon 7 and the sign would be minus. Now I have two numbers. One whole number and 5 upon 7 is a fraction number and both of them are negative numbers. So minus 1, see this is minus 1, it can be represented here. But it is not just minus 1, it is minus 1 as well as minus 5 upon 7. So I have to also represent minus 5 upon 7 on the number line. So first we will look for the denominator. Denominator is 7. It shows that this minus 1 and minus 2 is divided into 7 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this one is 7. And out of 7 I have to represent minus 5 upon 7. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So this part would be minus 1 is to 5 upon 7 or I can say minus 12 upon 7. Let's move to our next part. Which of the two rational numbers is greater? First example, minus 3 upon 5 and 0. You know that all the negative rational numbers are less than 0. So we can say 0 is greater. In our second example, 0 and 4 upon 5. All the positive rational numbers are greater than 0. So again we can say 4 upon 5 is greater than 0. In our third example, minus 6 upon 11 and 5 upon minus 11. Whenever we have to compare two rational numbers, look for two things. Denominator should be equal. This condition is already fulfilled. Both the numbers have 11 as a denominator. But second condition is that denominator should be positive. In first number, minus 6 upon 11, 11 is positive. But in second number, 5 upon minus 11, 11 is negative. So first I have to change the sign of minus 11. And whenever you have to change the sign of any rational number, you have to multiply it with minus 1. So first I will multiply 5 upon minus 11 with minus 1. 5 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 5. And again multiplication of two negative integer is positive. So in this way it becomes minus 5 upon 11. Now both the numbers have negative numerators and positive denominators, and denominators are also same. So we can say that minus 6 upon 11 is smaller than minus 5 upon 11. So in our next example, 4 upon minus 5 and minus 7 upon 8. We have to find out which one is greater. Again there are two conditions. First one, denominator should be positive, but this 5 is negative. So first I have to multiply 4 upon minus 5 with minus 1. So first I will multiply 4 upon minus 5 with minus 1. And then the answer would be minus 4 upon 5. So first condition is fulfilled. We have changed the sign of denominator. Now both the denominators are positive. Now the second condition, denominator should be same. Then only we can compare. First one is minus 4 upon 5. Second minus 7 upon 8. And you know, whenever we have to change the denominator, we have to take LCM of both of them. If you have not seen my previous video of fraction, you can go to my playlist and check that video first. And then it is very easier for you. I just tell you the LCM of 5 and 8. LCM of 5 and 8 is 40. So now I will change denominator of 5 and 8 to 40. So first minus 4 upon 5. I have to multiply 5 with a number so that it will become 40. And you know that 5 8s are 40. Again I will multiply minus 4 with 8 and it will be minus 32. Now our second number, minus 7 upon 8. Again I will multiply 8 with a number to make it 40. And 8 5s are 40. Again I will multiply 7 with 5 and this is minus 35. Now I am having two numbers with same denominator. First one is minus 32 upon 40 and second is minus 35 upon 40. Both the numbers have same denominator and both the numbers have positive denominator. Now we can compare them, which one is greater and which one is smaller. Always remember one thing, as we go on the left hand side of the number line, numbers are getting smaller. So minus 35 upon 40 is smaller than minus 32 upon 40. So 4 upon minus 5 will be greater than minus 7 upon 8, because minus 32 upon 40 represents 4 upon minus 5. Now we have to arrange rational numbers in ascending order. You know that ascending order means small to big. So first these are the rational numbers and we have to arrange them in ascending order. And whenever we have to arrange rational numbers in ascending or descending order, or we have to compare rational numbers, there are two conditions. First condition, denominator should be positive, and second condition, denominators should be same. So first we will change the denominators of these two rational numbers, because these two rational numbers have negative denominator and I have to make it positive. And whenever you have to change the sign of denominator, you have to multiply the rational number with minus 1. So first I will multiply 7 upon minus 15 with minus 1. But you cannot multiply just denominator, you have to multiply numerator also. And the answer would be minus 7 upon 15, because multiplication of two negative integer is positive. Our second rational number, 17 upon minus 30. Again I multiply it with minus 1. So the answer is minus 17 upon 30. Now all the rational numbers have positive denominator. So first condition is fulfilled. Now I have to change all the denominators and make them same. So first I will write all the numbers. Now the number become minus 3 upon 10, minus 7 upon 15, minus 11 upon 20, minus 17 upon 30. Now I have to make sure that all the denominators are same. So I will take LCM for that. And I hope you know how to take LCM in class 7th. I will simply write the LCM of all these numbers, and LCM is 60. Now I have to make sure that all the denominators become 60. And you know that if I have to change this 10 into 60, I have to multiply 10 with 6. So first I will change this rational number. Minus 3 upon 10 multiplied by a number so that it will become 60. 10 6 are 60. So I have to multiply minus 3 with 6. This is 18. Second number, minus 7 upon 15 multiplied by a number so that 15 will become 60. And you know 15 fours are 60. So 7 fours are minus 28. Third one, minus 11 upon 20. Again I have to change this 20 into 60. 23s are 60. So I have to multiply minus 11 also with 3. And this is minus 33. And the last one, minus 17 upon 30 multiplied by 32s are 60. So again I have to multiply minus 17 with 2. So it will be minus 34. So now we are having 4 rational numbers. First one is minus 18 upon 60. Then minus 28 upon 60. Minus 33 upon 60. And the last one, minus 34 upon 60. Now both the conditions are fulfilled. Denominators of all the rational numbers are same and denominators are positive. Now we have to decide which one is smaller and which one is greater. I have seen that most of the time students get confused at this point of time because they just don't understand which one is smaller and which one is greater. Because as per our logic, we think that 34 upon 60 is the greatest and 18 upon 60 is the smallest. If you also think in the same way, this logic is right in case of positive rational numbers only. But in case of negative rational numbers, rational number with smaller numerator is always greater. So minus 18 upon 60 is the greatest, then minus 28 upon 60, then minus 33 upon 60, and the smallest would be minus 34 upon 60. So first I will say minus 34 upon 60 is the smallest, then minus 33 upon 60, then minus 28 upon 60, and the last one minus 18 upon 60. So minus 18 upon 60 is the greatest and minus 34 upon 60 is the smallest. But you are not asked to arrange all these rational numbers in ascending order. You have to arrange all these rational numbers. So minus 34 upon 60 represents 17 upon minus 13. So I can say this one is the smallest. Minus 33 upon 60 represents minus 11 upon 20. So this is second. Then minus 28 upon 60 represents 7 upon minus 15. So this is the third one. And the last one would be minus 3 upon 10. So I can say this is the biggest and this is the smallest. And we can put sign between them. Now we have to arrange all these rational numbers in descending order. And descending order means big to small. This number has no denominator. So first I will write it divided by 1. Now I have to fulfill again two conditions. First condition, denominator should be positive. But this rational number has negative denominator, so I will change this denominator into positive. And you know that whenever we have to change the sign of any denominator, we have to multiply the rational number with -1. So first I will multiply 8 upon -3 with -1. And now it will become -8 upon 3. So now our all the rational numbers will become -2 upon 1, -13 upon 6, -8 upon 3, and the last one 1 upon 3. So first condition is fulfilled, but now we have to fulfill the second condition. All the denominators should be same, but all the denominators are different. So first I have to take LCM of all the denominators, and that is 6. So now I will change all the denominators to 6. First one, -2 upon 1. I have to multiply 1 with a number so that it will become 6. And 1 6 are 6. So again I have to multiply -2 with 6, and then it is -12. Second one is already having 6, so I don't have to do anything. Third one, -8 upon 3 multiplied by a particular number. You know 3 2s are 6, so 8 2s are 16. Third one, 1 upon 3 multiplied by a number so that the denominator will be 6. And again 3 2s are 6 and 1 2s are 2. So now I am having these 4 rational numbers. All of them are having same denominator and all the denominators are positive. So now I can compare which one is smaller and which one is greater. So first I will write all of them. -12 upon 6. Then second one is -13 upon 6. We have not done any calculation with -13 upon 6 because it already had 6 as a denominator. Third one is -16 upon 6, and the last one 2 upon 6. Now I have to decide which one is bigger and which one is smaller. Descending order means big to small. So first we have to find out the biggest one. All 3 rational numbers have negative sign, so positive rational number will be the biggest. So I can say 2 upon 6 is the biggest. Second one, as I told you earlier, when all the rational numbers are negative, the rational number with smaller numerator is always greater. So second one would be -12 upon 6. Third one -13 upon 6, and the last one -16 upon 6. But you are not supposed to arrange all these rational numbers. You have to arrange all of these rational numbers. But 2 upon 6 represents 1 upon 6. So we can say this is the biggest. Then -12 upon 6 represents -2 upon 1. So this is the second one. Then this is the third one. And -16 upon 6 represents 8 upon -3. So this is the fourth one. So in this way we can arrange all the rational numbers in descending order. But first we will write it as 1 upon 3 greatest, then -2 upon 1, then -13 upon 6, and the last one is 8 upon -3. 1 upon 3 is the greatest and 8 upon -3 is the smallest. Let's move to the last part of the video. These type of questions are very common in Math Olympiad exams and mental math. A meteorologist notes that the temperature at 6 p.m. is 12 degree Fahrenheit. He predicts that the temperature will drop 3 degree per hour until midnight. If his prediction is correct, what the temperature be at 11 p.m.? This type of story sum has 2 parts. First part is the information part and second part is the question. So first we will try to find out what is the information which is given to us. Information is that temperature at 6 p.m. is 12 degree Fahrenheit. This is the information. And then he predicts that the temperature will drop Drop means temperature will be further lower down. So, and what is the drop of temperature? 3 degree per hour. And if his prediction is correct, what the temperature be at 11 p.m.? So, we have to find out the temperature of that particular place at 11 p.m. But the temperature of that place is given at 6 p.m. So, first we will try to find out what is the duration of the time. 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. is 5 hours. This is the 5 hours time. And what is the drop of temperature? 3 degree per hour. It shows that 1 hour drop is 3 degree. But our duration of time is 5 hours. So we can say within 5 hours drop will be more. 5 threes are 15. So it will further drop by 15 degree. But 15 degree is not the final answer. Don't jump on the conclusion. First read all the options carefully. 15 degree is not the final answer because initial temperature was not 0 degree. It was initially 12 degree Fahrenheit. And now it will go further down by 15 degree. So I have to subtract 12 degree Fahrenheit minus 15 degree. And the answer would be minus 3 degree Fahrenheit. So answer B is correct. So that's all for today's class. If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon for the notification. We will meet in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Keep learning, keep smiling.